Reasons to make weird art, okay? It's honest. You can say whatever you want. It breaks rules that you didn't put those in place. You don't need those rules. Weird art kind of shines a light on unexpected. People love that. People are curious. Weird art creates a space for outsiders, the non-trained, the weirdos. It lets you laugh at seriousness. Okay, so you can take your trauma and make something beautiful. It stretches people's imaginations. People love to have their thoughts provoked by weird art. They love it. Propaganda. You can use weird art to get information out. That's important. Very important. Imperfection thrives in weird art. You can be imperfect as you want. Your weird art and weird art style and little specific things you do become someone else's like sense of relief. They're like, oh, yeah, I get that. Weird art keeps galleries bright and vibrant. It gives out life to the world. It surprises people. It's important. If you want to know what I was thinking when I was making this painting, like the parts about it, I'll explain it in a minute if you just want to hold tight. I just was going to tell you a little bit about this painting while I stress the importance of making unique art that's your own voice. And so this painting is like a galaxy being thrown up by a person, and their third eye is opening, and their brain is on fire. So this whole video here is just me doing the black outlines, which I am super obsessed with doing black outlines. I know when I'm making this painting, I don't think in my heart someone's gonna buy this. Okay, I don't think like someone is gonna buy this. I'm not thinking about commercial or capitalism or nothing. All I'm thinking about is enjoy the process and feel the paint going on. Whee! It's like a meditation to make art. You don't care if it sells. And I feel like that's when your real voice comes out, when you get to make the choices. So here I am putting black outlines on everything because I like to do black outlines. Of course, I figured that out by looking at a million paintings and going, I think this one could use some black outlines. And so it never surprises me if I go for the black and start outlining everything. This painting started as another painting. It's like the fourth iteration of it. At one point, it was like 3-headed woman. So I just keep flipping it around and adding stuff to it. But this time I really liked how I thought it was really graphic. It caught my eye how the galaxy was kind of like hurling out of the mouth, having this one big eye, seeing this all-seeing eye, maybe. Million reasons why you should make weird art. If not, just to say F you to the to the system, to the expectations of the world of what art you should make. Crash those boundaries down, and the rule is, like, let's just say you're gonna like 1 out of 10 paintings you make 9 weird ones, make 9 extremely weird ones. Try things so that you have an opportunity to learn something new, to find a new tool, to get a little thing that you can put in your pocket and pull out whenever you need to. If you want to check in about my mental health, if you've been following my story or not, I'm responding really well to medication. I haven't been making as many YouTubes, and I haven't been going live as much because I'm still getting used to how it feels to have like a calm nervous system. But even with a calm nervous system, I can make extremely weird art and put all my feelings into it. So yeah, don't try to sock yourself into an art style and call yourself a blank like I do pop art. You just kind of have to like follow and see where it goes sometimes instead of worrying about where it's going to go. Does that make sense? Say hi in the comments. I hope your mental health is okay today. enough to survive the day, because there's place for you here and your art, okay? Thanks so much. Subscribe, comment, like. I appreciate it. Keep making weird art. Permeate the world with weird art. Just like hurl it out there. Get it out there.